more than doubled our sales in 2 months. In September was 5 boilers we installed, and this year we've just hit 21 in 2 months.
That is a very good improvement.
Yeah.
Hi, we're back at Trade Mastermind today, and we've got Terry. Terry, tell us, what is your business name?
Hi, I'm Terry from West Coast Plumbing and Heating, and we're based in Blackpool.
Based in Blackpool. Okay, and how long have you been on the academy for?
Just over 2 months now.
2 months, Terry. Wow, that's not very long. How have you found it so far?
Excellent, yeah, really
Excellent,
good.
yeah. How have you found that it's improved your sales being on the academy?
We've more than doubled our sales in 2 months' time.
In 2 months.
So last year we we started in August, early August. This time last year, August and September was 5 boilers we installed, and this year we've just hit 21 in 2 months. In August and September.
That is a very good improvement.
Yeah.
So you've only been on the academy for 2 months. What modules have you done?
I've done exit strategy. What was the first one we did? I've come towards the end as well. So
yeah, I was going to say exit strategy being your first one.
The exit strategy was pretty much my first module, and then today we've done business planning.
Business planning, okay,
really
which is quite a key.
Which is pretty much the first one.
The first one, yeah. Okay, that's good then. So, I mean, you'll just have to do a lot of catching up when it comes to the exit strategy module.
Yeah.
Make sure you write lots of notes. What would be your key takeaways from the modules that you've done so far?
So making myself more professional in front of customers, knowing where I want to take my business, where we're heading, planning out exactly. We have like all the numbers in line and everything, so we know exactly where we're heading. It's pretty much down to spreadsheets, which I've never even looked at a spreadsheet. So a spreadsheet for a plumber is like alien, So when we're going through these spreadsheets and checking our numbers, it really does give you an insight into what money you're earning, where you can go, can you afford that extra staff member, what your profits are, all those kind of things are so important. And when you're just plodding along as a plumber, you don't really look at those things.
I was going to say, it's all more hands-on, isn't it, when you're doing that?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, oh nice. So would you recommend Trade Mastermind and the academy to other people out there?
Absolutely, yeah. So I was on the fence when I came to Trade Mastermind. I was a little bit, do I sort of dive into this? I wish that I did it sooner.
Yeah.
I wish it was 3-4 years ago, because I'd be so much further on now. Like I say, I've more than doubled my boiler installations in 2 months, and we're starting to sort of, and I'm off the tools pretty much now.
Perfect.
So,
Were you on the tools before you started?
yes, I had a staff member, but now I'm completely off the tools.
Nice.
We have two staff members now full time. We have 2 subbies as well for installing boilers.
Yeah.
So we're pretty much, I don't really do much on the tools now, I'm just doing surveying.
Nice. Oh, okay, perfect. So thank you so much, Terry, and thank you for listening.